was. Hi, welcome to another video by Daniel and John, and today we're going to have a look at some RONSEAL Yacht Varnish, litre protection for outdoor wood. It's a gloss finish, comes in a satin, it's 2.5 litres, it's about £40 no matter where you go. And our project we've used it for is for our trailer. You can see the finish we've got inside and outside. This has had about 4 coats. It needs a bit of a stir when you get it. That's what it looks like. And my chosen application is this metal application, and the bag is on just to keep your roller from drying out. Although we've lost a bit of roller, it's still effective. And let's put it on, we'll use it on ply, so let's just show you how it starts off. It's very easy to put on. This is still in July.
Dries really quick as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
In good weather.
If you're doing ply, do the edges as well on the top. So as you can see there, that's just one coat. And that's the finish you get. The more you put on, the deeper the coat you get.
It's like a honey type of colour.
First time I've used this product, like I said, the bag is for just keeping it rollers dry. But 3 coats of this, both sides, the floor and underneath the floor. 2.5 litres. This is a 6x4 trailer, I believe. And I'd say, yeah, that is true. It does exactly what it says on the tin. Just really
nice goldy honey type colour.
Yeah.
So that's what it looks like on the wood.
And tough as well. Yeah, anyway, this is for window frames, anything
doors,
outdoor, benches,
cladding.
Cladding. It's got instructions there. Give a light sand, say.
We have done it to give it a key.
Say 600, 400. It's a good stir. Yeah, do a test patch like I've done there, just to make sure you're happy with it. You can do 2 or 3 different test patches with different coatings.
So you know what it's going to look like with multiple coats.
You need white spirit to clean your brushes with this, so just bear that in mind. You need to get a tub of white spirit. But yeah, I'd say it's really good. Value
So we're
for
happy
money.
with it, aren't we?
It seems expensive when you first buy it, 40 quid a tin, but it does go a long way, and it does do the job. So this has helped you choose how to protect your wood. If you give us a thumbs up and perhaps subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Thanks very much.